Now that we've covered what a town, townships, villages, and boroughs are and their purpose in local government, let's go back and re-look at each one of these less than essential questions to make sure we fully understand what we're supposed to know. Less than essential question 1. Where did town governments begin, and what is the purpose of the town meeting? As you should recall, we discussed town governments began back when the colonists moved into the Americas and began to build churches, homes, and businesses in the same area. The town meeting is a way of direct democracy in a small local government where everyone in the town meets and votes on each issue directly. That's an essential question 2. Why did townships and special districts develop, and how does each function? As you can remember, the township is just another name for a town when the colonists came over in areas like New York, Pennsylvania, and New Jersey. But in the Midwest, on the other side of the United States, from the Mississippi all the way over to the Pacific Ocean, townships had a different way of developing. And since they acquired all this land at one time, they had to break it up into 6-mile by 6-mile sections, calling each one a township. Therefore, each township could develop a local government to run the people living in that area. A special district is just a district that's designed to meet the special needs or functions in an area. Less than essential question 3. Why are villages and boroughs created, and how do they operate? Well, as you can recall, the villages and boroughs are the smallest unit of local government. They only form when 200 or 300 people living in an area that do not yet have a local government, maybe because they're out in a rural area far out in the country, get together and decide we would all like to have one source of water, one well for our whole community, or we would all like to have fire protection or police protection coming into our area. So let's get together and form a small government with a board of trustees to manage the small amounts of tax money we collect to pay for these services for our village and borough.